This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by John King. This is the Virginia Beach deal of the year. Talk about bang for your buck. This nearly 4,000 square foot home features a wonderful open and flowing floor plan with many possibilities, gleaming and refinished real hardwood floors throughout the first floor, updated kitchen with custom cabinetry, quartz countertops, and a stainless steel appliance package. First floor has office that is not counted as one of the bedrooms. Upstairs you will find 6 nicely sized bedrooms with 2 of the 6 being huge. Don't forget to note the fenced-in backyard, front porch storage space, walk-up attic, lots of driveway space, and a wonderful convenient Virginia Beach location. For more information, review the details below.